Hello everybody, welcome to the humble beginnings of GenerationEBikes. We're gonna start by assembling the trike because my wife wanted to see that one first, so I told her I would kindly assemble it. The good part about these are they're mostly assembled when they come in the box, so we're gonna start cutting this box open and see if we can get it out of here. See if I can do this without stabbing myself in the chest or face. Would be ideal. It's a good start. All right, I'm going to bring you over here so you can see. This is all of the equipment in the trike, the way everything's packaged up. Got cardboard around all the key components. So we're going to start breaking her apart. Missed. All right. Oh, and 2. That's why I build e-bikes and not play basketball. All right, we're getting better. There's one. All right, well, let's see if I can. I'm guessing the bottom's taped down too, so we're just gonna build the old-fashioned way. With nice. Kind of like Christmas. Always remember, kids, make sure you keep the knife facing your vital organs while you're trying to disassemble the box. Whew. That's a little bit of work. All right, comes this handy dandy carrying case just so we can start getting stuff apart. I don't think there's a rhyme or reason how you drag all this stuff out of here, but we have a Lectric branded seat. Pedals come attached already. We're just gonna make a mess and have to pick everything up later. Not too worried about it. Huh, well, that's pretty nice. We have a nice little assembly tray for a box. All right. Take the rack parts out. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the wheel packaging off so we can get her stood upright here in just a second. like we got our charger cord down here. All right, let's see here. Okay, set that up there for now. A few more zip ties. Get the front wheel away from there. There we go. All right, well, let's go ahead. Move that around. Unwrap all of this. Okay, so take this stem up, there we go, and turn that like so. Put that in. Whew. They put all of the zip ties and warning stickers on these. So, alright. Looking pretty good so far, except for that almost fell over. That would have been cute. Alright, that's locked. That's in there. Okay. All right, so the one change Lectric did make on this bike is they went to plastic fenders on these to quiet them up. So you gotta kind of manhandle the fenders, get them kind of back in a little better shape, but nothing that just a little bit of finesse won't fix. Comes with the basket in the back pre-installed, which is pretty nice. One less thing to do there. Of course, we got another 4,000 zip ties here. Disc brakes. We got an open differential, so that makes it pretty nice. So because of the way the box and stuff is. I'm just gonna massage these over a little bit. There you go. That was easy. Looks like this one needs to come over just a touch. Look at that. And this one's bent down just a little bit, so we'll just get underneath there. There we go. Beautiful. All right. Okay, other than the mess, got it plugged in. Got tail lights. Actually, we're gonna unplug this real quick. So battery, keys, there's Lectric's hub motor, single speed disc brake. Coming up to the top, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, on this one, you have to wake the battery up. So push on that, and you come up here, push and hold. All right, we got power. So if I press and hold the plus button, it turns on the lights. I don't know if you can see that. Lights. Back here we got lights. See if I can still do this. So with the brake lever on, we got brake lights. Really nice touch. They did the XP Trike in white, so that's pretty cool. And this is their, I'm looking for their wattage on the motor. I want to say this is their 500 watt motor. So, all right, so put it in pass 1, and if we give it a little bit of throttle, bike wants to move. Pretty neat. Put it back in pass 0. And this one's ready to go. We're gonna charge it up while I start working on some of the other ones. The plastic fender so it doesn't rattle, makes it much quieter. Oh, beautiful bike. Does fold. You saw that in the box. The box it's sitting on right there is the one it comes in. Fold it up. Very nicely done, Lectric. Very nicely done. Here's my JW Black XP Lite 2.0. I tell it's a 2.0 because it's got the different handlebars. And it's an inch longer for the long range battery. I have put a suspension seat post on this one. You can see the carbon belt drive. And then over here is a 3.0 where we have the cargo basket. We have changed it to a Cloud 9 seat for comfortability. We have the lock on there. Bag, water bottle holder. We do need to switch that headlight to the premium headlight.